behalf of Precious Metal Classic Car Sales, I'd like to thank everyone for taking the time to view this video. Today, Tanner and I are going to be taking a drive in our first 1966 Chevy 2 SS. Some of the unique features of this car is a rotisserie restoration. It is marked for showing and judging. It's also a very strong runner. I was not very familiar with the 327 350 horse because I hadn't gotten really to drive one, although I've heard of them. But when I got a chance to pick this one up out of a private collection, like all of our cars come, I just thought this is going to be a really, really good one for somebody else, because we've had a lot of compliments on this car just going through the service and through the detailing process. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and take a drive. Today, Tanner and I are taking a ride and test drive for you in one of my first ever 1966 Chevy 2 SS cars. This is the 327 350 horse. This is born with drivetrain. One thing I can tell you is this cigar, I was literally shocked with the 327 and how much power this car made. I know that's probably why it got a lot of songs, or a few songs at least. Little Deuce Coupe and that's exactly what she is. This car is completely marked as a rotisserie restoration. As you'll see by the photos, all the markings were duplicated during the restoration to the best of their ability, of course. So I would say that for those of you who want a very rare car, this car is really something special. And one thing I can tell you is it's fast. Now, I am not going to sit here and get into it. I want you to be able to enjoy the ride. I'm not going to bury my foot in it because she's got the Muncie shifter in it. And the Muncie would have been the first thing probably a lot of us would have changed out, moving over to the Hearst. But for the originality of this car, I'm not going to touch it. It's absolutely just a beautiful car. Exterior, interior, the undercarriage, engine, overspray markings on the engine. Just a really great bargain for those of you who are looking for the Little Deuce Coupe. Now, this car does have manual steering, manual brakes, which was pretty much appropriate back then. It's also got some very high gears that were standard from the factory. But this car has just been really going through our service, going through detail. Had so many compliments on the car, and I've just really grown to appreciate these and hope to have many more coming in. Once again, I'd like to thank everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video demonstration, and I look forward to the next one. Have a great day.